Okay, since I don't have a cameraman with me for this one, so I'm gonna bring you guys myself. Now, upon entering the main entrance, you will reach straight ahead to your main living room, your living area right over here. As you see, this area has tons of space where you can put a lot of things. You can TVs could be put over here because all the electronics, the plugs and all are over there. And then when you step back a little bit more, this area right here can be turned into your dining area because it's literally beside the kitchen, which also is a little bit dirty because, well, yeah, nobody's living here right now. But if you buy this house, I'll make sure everything is cleaned up, so don't worry about that. Now, this is the first bedroom on the ground floor, the only bedroom on the ground floor. The bedroom comes also with an ensuite toilet and bath, which is right here. A nice sliding door for it. Now this is your ensuite toilet and bath, but it is also connected to the kitchen just now, right over here. Okay, now this kitchen area will lead you to your backyard through this door. Now the door is made nicely so it doesn't touch the grill, as you can see. Now this is your little mini backyard, which you can put things, plant trees, hang your clothes. All these things will be gone too if you buy this house. I'll be making sure of that, don't you worry. And now we are done on the ground floor. Let's go to the first floor upstairs. Alright, now once you go up the stairs, the stairs will end up at your first floor living area, which is right here you are seeing. And what I like about this is this living area comes with a very, very high ceiling. This is very high. This is very, very high. Okay, your living area will of course lead you to the second and third bedroom of the house. Before we go into any of this room, I'ma just tell you guys that this room is actually the same thing, but it's mirroring each other. So it has the same design, same concept, but each of the room comes with its own ensuite toilet and bath. It's not a shared bathroom. As you can see, there's no door over there to lead to the other room. So yeah, you have your own privacy right over here. And then this window will give you the view of the back alley. And now, let's go to the master bedroom. Now your master bedroom right over here comes with huge sliding doors and then a mini balcony or terrace, you would say, right over here, so you can have a nice view of your neighborhood. Now this neighborhood is of course nice, peaceful, quiet, and the most importantly is it is a gated and guarded community, so it's safe. Now the master bedroom itself has plenty of space to do a lot of things. If this was my room, I'll put a bed over here, probably wardrobe on this side, and a TV there. I love TVs, so probably a TV right here would be perfect. And then this door will of course lead you to your ensuite toilet and bath. Now I'm gonna show you around. The toilet comes with a big mirror, and then your own shower and the toilet. So yeah, this is your ensuite toilet and bath for the master bedroom, and also the window. So nothing will get stuck inside this room, if you know what I mean. Well, yeah. Okay, so let's make a recap on Elmina Valley Phase 4 Intermediate Lot House. But before that, let me just mention to you, because I did not mention it earlier, the main living room, which is where I'm standing right now, comes with a big sliding door. As you can see right now, this big sliding door is facing straight ahead at the front yard and your car porch in front. So yeah, that's the sliding door in the main living room. Okay, other than that, recap. This house has a build-up of 2,313 square feet, and then it has 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms, 1 kitchen. You have a mini yard behind the kitchen. You have your terrace in the first bedroom on the ground floor, and then it comes with a 2-car porch. Well, basically this house is a terrace house. It's a nice house, living in a gated and guarded community. It's a quiet community. It's a new area, so everything is still relatively new. Other than that, yeah, that's that. Alright, so that's the recap of this unit. I just want to wish you guys thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding any of the houses on my listing or regarding real estate industry itself, don't hesitate to come and ask me. You can comment down below. I will reply as much as I can, or you can just contact me through my Facebook and Instagram page, which I will also put the link down below. Other than that, well, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also hit that notification bell so you will get notified whenever we post a new video, because we will have a lot more house tours in the future, of course. Well, yeah, thank you for watching. I'm Imran. Assalamualaikum, and don't forget to live your dreams. Bye bye.